I think the biggest challenge I faced in our imaging process was keeping consistency in our product images. If you're a photographer, you probably already know this, but keeping consistency in colors, lighting, and angles in a traditional photo studio, it's harder than it looks. Simply because you have to do everything physically. You have to get in there and move things around in a way that fits the company's requirements, as well as making it look flattering for the customer to see, which can be very time consuming if you do not have a dedicated team to help you prepare the set or the product that you are shooting. Personally, one of my favorite features about Orbit View is their turntable, mainly because it's extremely easy for me to work on my own. I'm a girl, I don't have much body strength, so moving a big, heavy furniture item on my own is not possible. But with Orbit View, all I have to do is have my team tell them, like, can you put it in the middle of Orbit View Studio? And from there on, I can do everything myself. So it's really nice to have just a turntable do everything I asked it to do at the tip of my fingers. So that's really nice. I also really like the consistency of lighting, colors, and angles when using the studio. It's really outstanding because it really saves so much time. And you don't really have to take multiple photos. You're literally just done with one shot. And also, Orbit View offers a post-production section where you can do some slight edits in your images, such as masking or cropping, or you can change colors here and there. But I mean, at the end of the day, it is a product photo, so you don't want to make too many changes. But it honestly helps speed up the process before going live on a website. So I've been using Orbit View for about 6 months, and I've definitely seen an improvement in our photo quality. The images are consistently great. Orbit View provides awesome lighting from every direction, which greatly enhances the photos and it speeds up our process. And it has allowed us to expand our content beyond just product photography. We even started experimenting with lifestyle shots for our website. So I would say Orbit View has truly opened up new opportunity for us and given us the opportunity to capture more diverse content. I think overall, Orbit View is an amazing platform that creates outstanding images in a shorter amount of time than a traditional photo studio, mainly because there are so many available tools in the post-production section. You can just crop and adjust images with brightness or texture, or simply masking them, which is usually what takes the longest. I've been exploring the AI masking feature that Orbit View provides, and it does a pretty great job at masking all images, even black and white products, which are the hardest ones to mask. I'm gonna say Orbit View does about 95% of the job for you. Sometimes I still have to go in there and fix a couple things, but overall, it does a really great job at masking. Sometimes I don't even touch the product, it's just great as is. But AI masking is just going to continue to get better and eventually will be perfect. That's what AI does. So I don't think that's really an issue. But yeah, I would totally recommend this platform for e-commerce photographers who are working in a company that is kind of fast paced and you're constantly getting product to shoot. I think this is a very convenient platform to shoot product and get them on the website right away.